If you work with spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc, one of the most useful formatting tricks you can learn is how to wrap text automatically. This is perfect when you have long names, notes, descriptions, or product details that keep stretching across the sheet and making everything look messy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on automatic text wrapping in LibreOffice Calc, step by step, so your cells stay neat, readable, and professional. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful software tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, on the left side under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a file open, you can use that existing spreadsheet instead. This feature works great in both new and saved documents, so you can follow along no matter where you're starting. Once your spreadsheet is open, look for the cells that contain text that's too long. You can click and drag to select a single cell, multiple cells, an entire row, a column, or even a whole range if you want the wrapping applied in more than one place. This is important because LibreOffice Calc will only apply the formatting to the cells you select, so take a moment to highlight the exact area you want to fix. After selecting the cells, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted area. A menu will appear with several formatting options. From that menu, click Format Cells. This opens the cell formatting window where you can control how the text looks, aligns, and displays inside the spreadsheet. In the Format Cells window, you'll see multiple tabs at the top. Click the Alignment tab. This section controls how the text sits inside each cell, including horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and text wrapping. Since we want the text to automatically move onto a new line inside the same cell, this is the exact place we need to be. Now find the option that says Wrap Text Automatically. Check that box. As soon as you enable it, Calc will allow the text inside the selected cells to wrap onto multiple lines instead of flowing out into neighboring cells. This makes your spreadsheet much easier to read, especially when you have longer entries in narrow columns. Once that option is selected, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice Calc will immediately update the selected cells, and you'll see the text wrapped neatly inside each one. If the row height doesn't adjust exactly the way you want, you can manually resize the row or column afterward, but in most cases, the wrapping will make the sheet look much cleaner right away, and that's it. You've now learned how to wrap text automatically in LibreOffice Calc. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference in the appearance and readability of your spreadsheet. Whether you're building a budget, tracking data, or organizing notes, automatic text wrapping helps keep everything tidy and easy to follow. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more LibreOffice tips, spreadsheet tricks, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.